Hi, Thelma. No. What do you have? What do you have on your hands? Thank you for putting it back in your plate. What do you have on your plate? What do you have on your hand? I know, it's stuck on your finger. What is this? Tutu. Look at your son, yay! That's what Daddy used to eat, huh? Yeah. Do you like it? No more, it's all gone. It's no more. I give you green bean. No? You want some more? Say please. Do you want more? More olive? You want olive? See? Please. Do you want, can you do more? Can you do more? Please don't do that to me, mister. I drop it. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. Okay, well, you want to say bye-bye first? Then give you more later? No, you don't want to do bye-bye? Can you please do bye-bye? You want at least kiss. Mwah. Oh, thank you. Bye-bye.